Have you ever wondered how a superphone like the Samsung Galaxy S28 Ultra is made? It all starts with a huge idea and some of the most advanced technology on Earth. While the phone is designed in South Korea, its true intelligence is born in the United States. Welcome to Samsung's massive, multi-billion-dollar semiconductor factory in Taylor, Texas. This is where the magic begins. Here they don't build the phone's outer shell, they build its brain. The incredibly powerful microchips that make the entire phone run. This factory is cleaner than a hospital operating room, kept completely free of dust. Giant robotic arms and high-tech lasers work together to carve microscopic circuits. They are creating the ultra-fast Snapdragon processor that will power the S28 Ultra. This tiny chip will handle all the heavy artificial intelligence, gaming, and multitasking. Once these brilliant American-made chips are finished and rigorously tested, they are carefully packed up and flown across the world for the next big step. Now, the journey takes us to Samsung's display manufacturing labs in South Korea. The S28 Ultra needs a screen, but not just any screen. A massive 6.9-inch AMOLED display. First, they create ultra-thin flexible glass that is stunningly clear and incredibly tough. Millions of microscopic pixels are printed onto the glass to create perfectly vibrant colors. But here is the secret weapon for the S28 Ultra, a new nanoscale lenticular lens. This special layer allows the screen to show real 3D images without needing glasses. Imagine watching a high-speed cricket highlight leap right off the screen at you. The best part? The factory designs it so you can switch between 2D and 3D with just one tap. Precision lasers cut the glass to the exact size, giving it that sleek, edge-to-edge look. A final anti-reflective and scratch-resistant coating is applied to keep it safe. The screens are tested for perfect brightness and color accuracy before moving on. We have the American-made brain and the Korean-made face. Now, it needs eyes. Welcome to the optics department, where the S28 Ultra's massive 200-megapixel camera is born. It starts with grinding tiny, flawless pieces of glass into multi-layered optical lenses. These lenses are paired with a highly sensitive image sensor, capable of seeing in the dark. The factory actually builds 4 different cameras for the back of this phone. A primary 200-megapixel lens, an ultra-wide lens, and 2 powerful zoom lenses. Micro motors are added to the lenses. These allow the camera to physically move and stabilize. This stabilization means your 8K videos will be buttery smooth, even when zooming far away. The 4 lenses are sealed into a single, dust-proof metal block. Every single camera block goes through a strict laser alignment test. They flash bright lights and take thousands of test photos in seconds to ensure perfection. Now, it is time to build the armor that will hold everything together. The titanium frame. Heavy-duty CNC machines carve the phone's outer skeleton out of solid aerospace-grade titanium. All the parts, the US chips, the screens, the cameras, finally meet at the main assembly plant. Workers and robots team up. The motherboard is carefully screwed into the titanium frame. Next, a massive 5,100 mAh battery is glued securely into place. A special cooling system is placed over the battery and chip to keep the phone ice cold. The quad camera module is snapped into the top corner and connected to the main board. A robot traces a perfect line of waterproof glue around the entire edge of the phone. The stunning 6.9-inch screen is gently pressed onto the front, sealing the phone shut. Finally, the frosted back panel is applied. The physical Galaxy S28 Ultra is now whole, but the work isn't done. The phones enter a massive testing phase. Robot fingers tap the screen thousands of times to ensure the touch response is flawless. The phone is submerged in water to guarantee it is perfectly sealed against the elements. It even goes through a tumbling machine to test how well the titanium frame handles drops. Once the hardware passes with flying colors, the phone's soul is awakened. The latest Android software and Samsung One UI are installed directly onto the phone's memory. The advanced AI features, powered by that Texas-made Microchip, are calibrated. The pristine, shiny new device is polished one last time and placed into its sleek box. The paperwork, SIM tool, and charging cable are tucked neatly inside. The lid is closed, wrapped, and sealed, ready for the consumer. Thousands of these boxes are stacked onto pallets and loaded onto cargo planes. From the global factory, they are flown to stores and warehouses in your city. All of this incredible engineering leads to the moment you open the box. You hold the result of global teamwork, brilliant design, and precision manufacturing. And when you power it on, you unleash the full potential of the ultimate smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S28 Ultra. That is how the future is made.